Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Steam error code E87 in a simple and effective way so you can enjoy your games without interruptions. This error usually occurs when Steam fails to connect to the server or when there are corrupted files. First, restart your computer and router to refresh your network connection. Next, disable any VPN or proxy services because Steam can block connections from hidden or restricted networks. After that, temporarily turn off your firewall or antivirus as they can sometimes prevent Steam from launching properly. If this fixes it, add Steam as an exception. Another important step is to clear your Steam download cache. Open Steam Settings, go to Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache, then log back in. Finally, make sure your Steam client is updated to the latest version, and if needed, reinstall Steam completely to remove corrupted files. After following these steps, error E87 should be resolved, and Steam should launch and connect normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.